name is Anthony Preston, and you may recognize me from my role on Young and the Restless, where I had like 2 lines. But listen, I delivered those lines awesome, okay? All right, seriously, when I'm out here in Los Angeles building my acting career, I'm building things. Nothing excites me more, which is why I get into contracting, than showing up somewhere at the beginning of the day, and by the time I leave, something is incredibly different from when I arrive. It just is exciting. I love seeing that kind of progress, because to me it's like a metaphor for people's lives. I love to mentor youth, and at the end of the day, my ultimate goal would be able to do a show that's like combines philanthropy with construction. So like figure Extreme Makeover meets Habitat for Humanity, something like that, because I figure all the successes we have in life, it's a good thing to give back, because if we're not giving back, what is the point? What is this? I told you, I'm auditioning for a DIY show, and this is what you give me for a tool? Who are you? You know what? You guys don't want to hear about me talking anymore. Let me just show you this. So here we are, cleaning up this box right here. A lot of these homes, they have just layer upon layer of extra circuits. You get multiple contractors that come in here over the years. They just slap on whatever yahoo thing they want to do. On to the next, and out of this crawl space. Abs are gonna work out today. Voila. I came up short on my roof about a square foot of coverage that I needed. And so what I was gonna do was just replace that 1 square foot with these guys here. But they are $30 just for a few square feet of it. I was like, man, that seems really expensive. And then I realized why. It's because to get a whole new roll, it's actually $2 cheaper just to get the whole new roll. So we're gonna do that instead. Yes. Love when a plan comes together. It's roughly about day 3 here. Just got all the insulation up. Put in my switches. Here we go. All in a day's work. That's how I roll.